Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have a I'm guessing this is the eBay order, but or maybe Macari or something like that. But anyway, oh, it says Poshmark. All right, so let's see what we have here. We got a nice little note. Looks like. Ooh. All right. Got a card. Cuteness. Alrighty, sure will. Okay. Alright, so let's see what we got here. This packaged nicely. Taken care of. We got a nice vintage dust bag. I like it. It's smaller than I thought, but I like it. It's cute. Look how cute that is. Look how cute it is. It's so pretty. Now the gold really pops off of this particular color of blue. It's so pretty. Yeah, this is so cute. And I don't see any flaws so far. Like, none. Maybe a little something right there, but who cares? Look at that. Isn't that cute? All right. So let's see what the inside looks like. And then let's see what our patch says. I can't read that right now. Let's see. Oh, this doesn't have a date. Okay. You can barely read that. Maybe you can. But anyway. Neat. It is clean as a whistle in there. So we got one big slip pocket up front. We got one zippered pocket back here. Oh. Oh, wow. They still had the care instructions in here. Seems like I remember this little pamphlet. Well, it's copyrighted 2004. Huh. So, I am super happy about this. This person must have never used it, or they're very, very careful with it. So, I'm going to have to carry on that tradition. But how cute is this? This is the right color blue with the right color gold, and it's just gorgeous. Anyway, I thought I would share that with you guys. We got the branding on here. Very, very cute. All right, and that is what I had to share today, guys. And I don't think I paid a whole lot for this. But anyway, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.